Hello, folks. Let's talk insurance. Insurance can serve multiple purposes, and you can tailor it to work for your specific situation. Insurance riders are add-ons you can get on your policy, and these add-ons allow you to customize when the insurance company will pay you your money. You might add on that you would like to be paid in the event you become disabled, that you get paid in the event that you come down with a chronic illness and can't work, or you might double the amount of money that your family is paid if you were to die suddenly in an accident. You can customize it by making sure it gives your family the protection that you want and making sure it keeps to the budget that you need to have in place. So it's scalable. You can raise it up or lower it down depending on the lifestyle that your family maintains. Insurance can be used to save up for major life purchases that could take a while to accumulate funds for, just saving in the traditional way. With insurance, you actually get to gain money for putting your money away. So if you just have money sitting in a savings account that only has a small amount of increase, then you might want to take a look into insurance or another opportunity. Insurance can be used to leave a legacy. It can help you pass along an inheritance and begin a cycle of generational wealth. You don't get to pass on this amount of money if you don't plan it ahead of time. And that's what separates the families into different wage earning groups. It helps to get a head start in life. It definitely does. We've seen it happen. Insurance can be used to grow monetary value through interest, and you can use this growth to pay off debt faster than would otherwise be possible if you're just leaving your money in a savings account. When you save with the insurance policy, the insurance company pays you for the privilege of holding on to your money, the same way a bank does, but typically more. Insurance is typically a better investment than bonds or CDs, and it's regarded as very safe. There's much less risk involved than directly investing in the stock market, though it does leave you the option to make those stock market investments if you're willing to take on a little more risk of not getting as much money back if you were to bet on a losing team or something. Right? And insurance can put aside money for your retirement years and help fill the gap left by pensions or other retirement plans that might not be able to cover all the expenses. A lot of people don't actually realize how much retirement will cost and all of the miscellaneous expenses involved in that. Insurance gives people the security that they're often trying to establish using the traditional savings account, but it is arguably easier to maintain. Once you pay money into the insurance policy via the premium payment, the money isn't at risk of being spent. Like a savings account, you allot an affordable monthly dollar amount. And unlike a personal savings account, you're now entitled to a large sum of money that can address your financial needs for months or years to come. Insurance doesn't have to cost all that much. You just have to shop smart, shop around, or better yet, let an agent shop around for you. If you want to do it yourself, go online and compare all the carriers. Check out whether you're eligible, whether you might not be eligible due to health concerns, and then see who has the best value for the best price. Or you can let an insurance agent shop around for you. Most agencies will do this for you at no cost. So unless you have a hired personal advisor or you hired an estate planner, don't work with an agent who charges you for their time or just to look at options. I personally work with several dozen carriers, so I shop around for people. and I get them the best coverage that they qualify for at the best price. And I present these options to them, and if they don't like it, then they don't like it. It might not have fit their situation, but they'll be able to go through that. These are what my finances are, this is what my needs are, and these are the coverage options available. And maybe they'll be able to plan for any catastrophes that come up and make some sort of arrangements instead. But if they do find they like the policies, then I go ahead and help them apply for it then and there so that they get that coverage as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and wrap up here. As a recap, insurance allows you to get protection to make sure your family is okay and can keep going on in the event that you were to be taken out of the picture or you simply couldn't go on working. Insurance allows you to save for emergencies and major purchases. You will have access to that money if you get the correct insurance policy. Insurance allows you to start generational wealth. It lets you plan ahead and leave a legacy for your family members, for your descendants. Insurance allows you to collect interest, and it is so much better to collect interest on your money than to leave it sitting around, because that doesn't help. That's not very helpful. And insurance allows you to invest. If you're not ready to go straight into the stock market, then consider getting an insurance policy that is tied to the stock market interest rates and watch your money grow that way. Or if you're feeling bold, directly invest in the stock market, build up your insurance policy's money value, and leave something for your family. Insurance is also good for retirement planning. Please do your research. No one wants to be caught unawares and not have enough money for retirement. No one wants to be a dependent on their adult children when they could be an asset to their family. So, insurance has multiple uses. Please go ahead and look into it if you have not already taken a serious look. Most of you have because you're watching this video. But yeah, insurance, it's definitely something that you should have involved in your financial planning.